Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Today we're diving into a French-inspired classic dish, chicken chasseur. Imagine tender chicken thighs simmered in a lovely thick sauce with plenty of mushrooms and topped off with bacon lardons. I've got my oven preheated to 180°C or 350°F, so let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large shallow casserole pan over a medium heat. Add 170 grams or 6 ounces of smoked bacon lardons and fry for about 6 to 8 minutes until lightly brown, giving it a stir occasionally. Once they're nice and golden, remove from the pan with a slotted spoon and place in a bowl. Now we're going to add 8 skinless chicken thigh fillets that have been chopped into quarters. Season with half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. We're going to fry for about 5 to 6 minutes, turning occasionally until lightly browned. Next in goes a finely diced onion. We're going to fry that for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring often. Add in 3 minced cloves of garlic and we're going to fry for a further minute, stirring constantly. Next in goes 2 tablespoons of plain all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of tomato puree or paste in the US. And give that a good stir together to coat the chicken. Now slowly pour in 180 ml or 3/4 of a cup of white wine while stirring constantly. Let that liquid bubble for a minute. And then we're going to pour in 360 ml or 1½ cups of chicken stock. And then add in 150 grams or 5.3 ounces of baby chestnut mushrooms that have been sliced in half. We're also adding 2 medium carrots that have been peeled and diced, 2 bay leaves and 3 stalks of fresh thyme. You give that a good stir together. Bring that to a gentle simmer, then place the lid on, and we're going to place that in the preheated oven for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the lid and place back in the oven for another 15 minutes. So we've taken the lid off that now, and that goes in the oven for a final 15 minutes, and that's just to help that chicken brown up a little bit more and for that sauce to thicken a bit more as well. Now, did you know that chasseur translates to the word hunter in French? And this dish, chicken chasseur, was inspired by the ingredients that hunters would likely have on hand while foraging in the forest. Now give everything a stir together and remove the bay leaves and the thyme, and then we're going to sprinkle on that bacon from earlier and place back in the oven for 1 more minute just to heat that bacon through. And now we're ready to serve. Just look at that thick, luscious, bubbling sauce. I love to serve this on top of a pile of creamy buttered mashed potato alongside some crunchy green beans. Sprinkle with a little black pepper and fresh parsley and dig in. And that's my cosy chicken chasseur. And if you love a French-inspired dish, then why not check out my beef bourguignon recipe here. And if you're after the UK pub version of Hunter's chicken, then check it out here. It's very different. See you next time.